Good morning, guys. Let's move on towards the another experiment, that is determination of shrinkage limit. So determination of shrinkage limit is very important. This may be asked in the examination, and you can see you have to arrive at this formula at the last. Okay. So now what we will do is we'll see the experiment and procedure of it. Okay. So we'll see the experiment and procedure of it, how to find out the shrinkage rate. First of all, the equipments required are evaporating dish of flat bottom, shrinkage dish, 45 mm dia, and 15 mm height. Then third one is glass plate of 75 by 75 mm with metal plungers. Plungers means the holders. Okay. Then glass cup, and last mercury. So you can see the shrinkage dish is like this. Okay. And this is shrinkage dish, and the operating dishes here you can see in the figure. This is the operating dish. So you can write down the figure or draw the figure, and we'll move on towards the procedure. So here, determine the volume V1 of soil mass. So how to find out? Pour the mercury up to the rim of the shrinkage dish and note down the weight of the mercury. Okay. By and note down the weight of mercury by deducting empty weight of shrinkage dish. By knowing the mass and density of mercury, determine the volume V1 of the mercury. Therefore, V1 is equal to mass divided by, so volume is equal to mass by density, which is equal to the volume of shrinkage dish. So this is the volume of your soil mass. Next, pour the paste of soil into the shrinkage dish by compacting it with 25 blows in 3 layers up to the rim of the dish. Determine the mass of mass M1 of soil by deducting the empty weight of shrinkage dish. Now place the shrinkage dish along with the soil paste into the oven. Maintain at temperature 110 degree Celsius for 24 hours. After this, determine the dry mass of the soil, that is MD. Now fifth one, determination of dry volume of soil. Pour the mercury into the glass cup which is placed in the evaporating dish. Press the glass plates provided with the metal plungers into the dry soil. Then lift the glass plate and press it into the glass cup. Some amount of mercury will be spilled out and collected into the evaporating dish. By knowing the mass of mercury spilled out and its density, determine the volume, which will be equal to the volume of dry soil. Okay, so whatever the soil is pushed into the mercury, so that much of mercury will fall out. So that if you know the mass of mercury and its density, then its volume can be calculated. So volume of the dry soil, VD, is calculated or known. So shrinkage limit can be calculated for following. So that is Ws equals M1 minus VD minus V1 into rho W divided by MD into 100. So this experiment will be asked in the examination, and it is very important knowing the note or to the point of for the point of examination. Okay, so next we will see what is meant by classification of soil. Soil classification is required to classify the soil into various categories so that they can be used for agricultural purpose or engineering purpose. So based on the engineering use, the soil may be classified as following methods. uh, is classified by following methods. So one is particle size distribution, second one is textural system, third one is HRB classification, fourth one is Indian standard, and fifth one is unified. So these two we will study because this is there for your syllabus, and this we'll see in the next class. Thank you.